Hello guys, Steph Party here. I just got back from Hunter Lake and I just went fishing. Not perch fishing, we caught perch. So, this is the yellow belly perch. This one's a little one, a little juvenile one I caught. So I'm going to use him to show. This is like a young one, so yeah. I kind of hooked him on his eye, but that's what their eye usually looks like. We're getting in the shade. Yeah, so that. Can you get the spines? Yeah. Okay, so yeah, be careful with the spines, or you can cut yourself. Or else this could happen. I'm kind of finger right now. I'm just kidding. But seriously, you got to be really ow! You picked me. Okay. So I'm gonna use a different one. This one's small and weak. Here. No animals were harmed in this video. Don't worry about it. Yeah, I have bigger ones. So these ones have nice, much older. These ones are older.
Even over there, there's only one nail in the fucking.
You dick. I'll use this one actually. Just goes. Okay, and so yeah, they have nice sizes. This one's about the average. See your spines, sir? So that's their spines. Be careful on them. You can cut yourself. Ow! Pick me. And yeah, they have a nice green color and all that. So yeah. So I usually am catching averages of like 6 inches, but ignore the bass. Ignore that one. Set up. Oh, Dad, your bass is dead. Oh, Dad, your bass is dead. But you can catch them quite bigger. This is a really big one. We have a little bass hiding in the corner. And then we'll do a video on these guys some other time. But I mean, Dad, your bass is dead. So anyway, that's it. Yellow belly perch. Cool. Allie just picked me. Nice. These ones are a good little starter fish for when they're young. Anyway, and I'll see you in the next video. And
The last step was just out of the water.
Picked me. Oh.